cheddar or American? Your burger, cheddar. He said it the same way I did. 2. 1. So we just got back from our first lap pre-running out here at Broadview. It's a Big Sky 200. So far the car's feeling really good, nice and quiet. We did a lot of maintenance since the last race. So we're really excited that we're finally getting the performance that we've been looking for. We're gonna head out here in just a minute and check out the new qualifying course, and then we'll come back and cook some dinner. We just finished qualifying. We had a really good run. We ended up beating second place by 20 seconds, so starting pole position tomorrow. I think we're off the line at 7 a.m., so really excited for a good race tomorrow.
Yo Black, 0, 1, 2.
So it's counting up?
That is.
Cool. Usually you can just press the record button and it turns on and starts.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Not this time.
Ooh, this is a good section to record, I think. It's just, you just follow this ridge all the way around. You're up, brother. But a coyote just went over. I'll bet it was stalking the deer. Yeah, you see it? Pre-running went really well for us yesterday. We got a good lap in, car felt awesome. We averaged about 35 miles an hour.
and I think we'll be able to push that up tomorrow. So stoked on that. Also ran the course this morning on a dirt bike, so got eyes on everything twice, and really excited for the race.
Rotors look good.
Wait, wait.
Caleb at C4 just raced today. I'm not really sure where they ended up, but I'm pretty sure they ended up on the podium. So stoked for them in the UTV race. We race tomorrow at 7 a.m. As you can probably tell, I'm sitting in a rooftop tent on our race car, which is pretty rad. This is the GFC Superlight, which is a lightweight huckable tent. So we're putting it to the test, along with the Princeton rack to show off that it can handle some stupid stuff. But yeah, we got Cameron sleeping up here. So it's cool, it's actually getting used as a rooftop tent and not just up here for show. We also got a bunch of BDs on the truck. We have their XL80 linkable kit on the roof, XL80 ditch lights, and then their LP9s on the front bumper. We also have S2s on the rear, and been super nice. We pre-ran a little bit last night, and it was nice to have the light. So yeah, excited for the race tomorrow. We'll be off 7 a.m. and we got 4 laps to do in 6 hours. So if everything goes smooth, we should be done around the 4.5, 5 hour mark. Yeah, we're excited.
Go, boys! All right, left 2. Woo! Left 2. Left 3.
right 3 through fence. Caution. That wasn't the caution, but here's the caution. Caution.
We'll have to be a little quicker on that last one.
Copy.
That didn't give me very much time.
Well, we didn't have that first one marked.
Oh, I see.
I know now. Caution. This is a right too, but I remember this being a sweeper up here.
It's a pretty long corner, I think.
Open. Right 4. Caution. Caution. Fresh course. Caution. 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 I'll call that one sooner. Caution. Go, go, go. Left 1.
Definitely a 2.
2.
Yep.
Copy. Left 2 through fence. Caution. Fucked. Caution. Clear. Caution. Over crest. Caution. Clear.
1.
That's a 1. Marked. Sorry.
You're good.
Clear.
4628.
Left
Current
1.
split to second is 248. Keep that pace.
Copy. I missed the split, but
I couldn't hear it. Whatever.
he said hold pace. Caution.
Sometimes it's hard to time that.
What's that?
Sometimes it's hard to time those shifts.
Oh, we almost cleared that one. Right 2. Right 4, right 3, sorry, into left 3. Good call. Caution. Nicely done. Open. 2-track speedway.
Squirrely. Come on, baby!
Left 1. New top speed, 79.3.
Fuck yeah. I told Hayden we'd hit 80, so let's get that last .7.
Copy. Alright, I'm gonna radio out if that's okay. I think it's, looks like we have one more right sweeper coming up here, and then it's pretty much into the short course, so I'll call a couple of,
There's a lot more, but that's alright.
Caution up here. Caution, caution. Good save.
I meant to do that.
Oh, you're showing off for the pictures?
Fuck yeah.
Left.
4628, current split is about 6.5 minutes.
Holy
Copy.
shit. That's fucking cool.
Alright, we need to pace down a little bit though.
I feel like I haven't been pushing that hard either.
We're pushing a little hard, but...
I'm trying to save the trans, so I haven't been that bad.
You what?
I said I've been trying to save the trans, so I haven't been that hard on the gas. Oh, fucked it.
Easy.
Hey, that was pretty fun though.
Public speaking courses in college or anything?
In high school.
Well, if you're a jerk, I'm not letting you laugh. Say, guys, my friend. Holy shit. Look at your dad.
Michael, if you got a copy. Can you also go near John Allen?
Left 2. Easy here, easy. God. Woo!
That was like 5 miles an hour more than last time, and last time I didn't feel anything.
I think it's just the shape of that one.
Yeah, it kind of cones off at the end.
Caution. And then one more.
Sorry, clear? Caution on the exit. I need calls, bud. Sorry, left 2. I'm driving blind over here. Sorry, I went to sleep there. Right 3. Into left 3. Right 3.
Oh, it was? He was after me. Okay, yeah, definitely check that then.
I'm gonna die.
Still up there.
Rig just came in for the first pit, refueled about 15 gallons. Everything else mechanically is looking good. They've got about a 12-minute and 30-second lead on second place.
Easy. Gotta have a little fun, right? Oh yeah. Let's go. Go. Yeah, buddy! Yeah! Woo! That first wind feels good. Woo!
Car still feels awesome. The shock is really hot. Who got the beer at? Never used it.
Both of them, yeah. I think I walked in the line of fire.
We just finished the Big Sky 200 today. Had an awesome race. Started off first and held it all day. Got a commanding lead first lap, and we just kept a good, solid pace throughout the day. And I think we ended up with a 30 or 40-minute gap on second place. So stoked on that. Great finish. Car's still in really good shape. So really happy with our performance today and excited to head over to awards.
I also liked that it was like crazy muddy when we got there, but then fine. It was under the seat for some reason.
Why would I want to walk? No, I got it.
Yeah, that one was funny.
Second place, Wolf Alco Benjamin. First place, Comp Mod, Alex Fleming. He's giving you his good side.
Good job, Sadie.
This one's like, wait, I want a picture too.
Yeah, first and foremost, I want to thank you guys for putting on one of our favorite series to come race. Like this race right here is one of our favorites to do all season. It was our first ever race 2 years ago. Last year we had tough luck, but yeah, we got redemption this year, so I'm stoked on that. No broken U-balls. But yeah, I want to thank our team, Sherpa Motorsports. You guys are awesome. The guys back at the shop keeping things going for us while we come do this kind of stuff. And Yukon Gear and Axle, Yoda Mafia, Marlin Crawler, killer front suspension from them, and yeah. And we have a lot of others, but I could keep going for a while.
It's really expensive to race.
Right. All right, thank you so much. Awesome job, guys.
We almost need Kat to turn around. Yeah.